You can expect a lot from the 2019 Honda HR-V. It features a continuously variable transmission, all-wheel drive, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. Honda prioritized comfort and style by including one-touch window functionality, rear wipers, and a split folding rear seat. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Honda ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.